Howdy, welcome to the 2020 BKMB R7 Staff Showcase. My name is Elliot Nays. We are sad that we cannot perform for you in person this year, but I'm sure you'll still be full of energy for the start of the year after hearing the Black Knight Marching Band perform for you today. We start off with our school's fight song, Onward Knights. We encourage you to clap along, and remember to spell Knights at the end.
Band cords up, squeeze up.
Next, we'll perform a tune that is sure to wake you up, even if you forgot your coffee. It's our parade tune, Get Ready for This, conducted by Miss Nicole Bunzy. We're playing this tune because you need to get ready for this school year.
Band cords up, squeeze up.
Our next tune is You Can Call Me Al by Paul Simon, conducted by Miss Mary Porter. The only reason why I chose this tune is because, as the students say, this song slaps.
Band cords up, squeeze up.
Alright, drumline, come on forward. Everybody else, take 8 steps back. Next, the BKMB drumline will lay down some stanky beats for us. Their instructor is Mr. Joe Strobel. show theme for this fall is the music of Aaron Copland. He has written multiple famous pieces which are widely considered in the genre of Americana classical. This specific tune that we're going to play for you today is the third movement from our show, and it features our percussion section. This tune was also used in an ad campaign for beef. It's what's for dinner. Here's Hoedown.
Band horns up.
Squeeze up!
Next, we'll perform our school song. You're welcome to sing along if you know the words.
Band horns up.
Squeeze up! We hope you're nice and awake now. Here's to a great school year. Thank you, and go Knights.